everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nirjana from Leotail, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys my hair care routine. Actually, I've been testing out these products from the brand Kriti since June last week, and it's probably the most comprehensive review that I could give about these products after using it for July, August, September, October, November. Okay, that's like 5 months almost. So yeah, we have 4 products from Kriti here, and this has been part of my routine for the last 4 months. So we have a hair wash powder, we have a root strengthening mask, an oil, and you have an after wash styling oil. So let's get started. So as a brand Kriti needs no introduction, I always talk about Kriti on Instagram. This is one brand that I personally trust so much. It is a completely handmade brand by the owner Aparna, and she has amazing skincare and hair care products. She cured my acne, so that is how I started to trust her so much, and now I trust her with my hair as well. Okay, so my hair care routine goes like this. I wash on Monday, then Thursday, then probably next Monday, Thursday, like that, every third or fourth day. That is how I usually go by this. So the star product of Kriti is the 2-in-1 scalp exfoliator plus hair strengthening pack, and this is like my third pack, I guess. So this is basically a powder. All you have to do is add some honey, some lemon drops and curd, and mix it and make it like a paste, like that batter, maybe like dosha batter, and then apply generously on your scalp and hair length and massage it with your fingertips. You don't have to pre-wash your hair or apply oil or anything. Just onto your dry hair you can apply this mask directly, and then you can keep it from 15 to 45 minutes. If you have issues like sinusitis, just keep it for 15 minutes and that's good to go. So it doesn't make your hair smell like curd, it doesn't make your hair smell bad, but it is not something that's going to make your hair smell good either, because the ultimate aim of this product is to strengthen your hair root and make it healthier. So the key ingredients of this one is unprocessed rice flour, shikakai, soap nut, fenugreek, aloe, neem, amla, nettle, hibiscus, leaf, rose, curry leaves, Brahmi, Bringaraj, Ashwagandha, tea tree, all the amazing ingredients, and it's very affordably priced, 90 grams for 360 rupees. Considering my hair length, 90 grams should last for like 10 to 12 washes. So, and you use it like if I use it on Monday, then Thursday I'll be oiling and washing with my shampoo or something, and next Monday I'll probably use the mask. That is like once in a week, 4 times in a month. That is the routine for mask. For me, something that everybody who has used it till date has given amazing reviews about. I will definitely recommend this one if you are suffering from hair fall issues. So the second one is the Brahmi oil. So this I use on Thursdays. Like I'll apply oil, keep it on for like 15 minutes. You can keep it like 45 or 1 hour, no problem. I keep it for 15 minutes. I apply it and then give a nice little massage. I warm it gently and then apply onto my hair and scalp, basically, not hair length per se. I apply it on my scalp and I wash it off. So for washing, I can either go for a mild shampoo, any shampoo that I want to use, but Kriti has a washing powder which I would recommend actually, and the name of the washing powder is 2-in-1 hair wash and condition powder. Very similar packaging like the mask, and the way you use it also very similar. It contains Arapu, Shikakai, Bringaraj, Lotus, Karinjeeragam, soap nut, Avarampu, fenugreek, hibiscus, etc. You can add water, make a paste, and just apply it onto your hair and scalp. Give it a nice massage and wash it off in 5 to 10 minutes. Since it is not a mask, you don't have to add curd or anything else. Just mix it with water, give a nice massage, and that's all. I was actually worried, is it going to remove the hair oil? Is it going to remove that greasy feeling? But it does remove the greasy feeling. It washes off oil completely and your hair feels good. And I was also worried that the powder mask sometimes leaves some residue. It will feel like dandruff after a few days. I won't be able to wash it off completely. All of these were my worries about the products. But I have to tell you, neither the mask nor the wash powder, neither of them left any residue on my hair. So I did not feel like, I had a difficult time washing it off. It was pretty easy. There will be a little bit of mess on your bathroom, I'm already telling you, because it's like, it feels like muddy water, but the effort is absolutely worth it. So this is a wash powder that you can use after oiling. You can replace your shampoo with this one actually. I have not used shampoo, like continuously for 2 months I did not use shampoo. I did not care about my hair smelling herbally, but I did not use any shampoo for 2 months. So that's a big achievement for me, because I have been someone who'd use shampoo at least twice a week, and then I went without shampoo for 2 months. So that's amazing, right? So for the after wash, whether it is with the shampoo, whether it is with the hair wash powder or with the mask, right after washing on my wet hair, I apply the avocado oil, which is the styling oil. Just a few drops of oil on both sides, especially the crown area where I suffer from a lot of frizz after washing. So I just apply a little bit of avocado oil and just give it a nice press, and that's it. Once my hair is dry, I do not see any frizz, especially in this area, and that completes my hair care routine. On Monday, it is the mask plus avocado oil. On Thursday or Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, any of those days, I'll use the oil, I'll use the hair wash powder, and then I finish it with my avocado oil. So this has been my routine, and once in a while I use shampoo when I feel like missing shampoo smell a lot, but that's that. Maybe I use another creamy mask, that again like once in a month or so. But the whole Kriti range has been my routine for a while right now, and I'm so glad that I could use them. I'm very happy with the results. My hair fall did reduce while I was continuously using it. I did take a break in the last 3 to 4 weeks. I was kind of missing that herbal feeling actually. So I can say this for sure, if you continuously use these products, your hair fall will reduce. And she also has bamboo oil, which is good for graying hair. So if you are suffering from premature graying or something, then you can use her bamboo oil also, which she recommends highly. She also has other hair care products like a hair butter that I've not tried but heard amazing reviews about. That's also something that you can check out. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to make this video because hair care products are very hard to work for me. No product literally could actually work on my hair fall or increase my hair strength and all. So I made sure that there is no other issue, like there is no hormonal issue or thyroid and all, and it was not a diet issue also. It was just hair fall and that's it. So now I can feel that I have baby hair over here. My hair thinning issue has reduced, and it's making me feel happy actually when I see thicker hair and less hair on my hands. So it feels good. So that's why I thought I'll make this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys found this beneficial. So this is not a this is not a sponsored video or anything. This is a video right from my heart, sharing my experience with you after using it for some time. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will meet again. Until then, take care. Bye.